Let's do a whole bunch of Swedish sayings.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
So a few weeks ago I recorded 366 different videos in the studio all in one afternoon, and those end up on my The Swedish Language Instagram. So I thought I would share with you some of the videos that I've already posted, and I'm posting these videos daily, so you should definitely follow The Swedish Language for updates on how these videos are being posted. But here you go, here are some of the videos that have been posted already, but again I encourage you, go to The Swedish Language. You won't be sorry. Alla goda ting är tre. Alla goda ting är tre. Var sak har sin tid. Var sak har sin tid. In due time. Trogen som en hund. Trogen som en hund. When someone is very faithful to someone or something. Det står och faller med honom or henne. Det står och faller med honom or henne. Something is happening and we really need this person, otherwise it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work at all. Ett oskrivet blad. Someone who has not yet shown his or her qualities. Få ståpäls. Få ståpäls, which it means to get so excited that your hair is like wow. Alla katter är grå i mörkret. Alla katter är grå i mörkret. So it doesn't matter what you look like, you still look the same when it's dark. Ärlighet varar längst. Ärlighet varar längst. If you're honest, you will go far. Må som en prins. Må som en prins. Feeling really, really good. Tungt som bly. Tungt som bly. When something is really, really heavy. Det vet fåglarna. Det vet fåglarna. When you simply don't know, but the birds know and they can't tell you because they're birds. Ett rött skynke. Ett rött skynke. Something that grows great agitation with others. Think about the matador's red cloth. Ge svar på tal. Ge svar på tal, which means to come with a great counter argument. Alla känner apan. Apan känner ingen. When everyone knows who that person is, but that person doesn't know who everyone else is. Alla känner apan. Är man med i leken får man leken tåla. Är man med i leken får man leken tåla. If you're part of the game, you have to obey by the rules. Oskyldig som ett barn. Oskyldig som ett barn. Just pure innocence. Like a child. Tyst som en mus. Tyst som en mus. Someone is very, very quiet. Well, there you go, a whole bunch of videos that have already been posted to the Swedish Language Instagram, and if you go in and follow, you can see one new video every single day, and I highly encourage you to do so.